In front of me is Honor 400 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration setting. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to Hit Sounds and Vibration. Now hit Vibration here to mute your device completely, leaving only vibration. Then scroll down. Click on Phone Ringtone to manage vibration section at the top for SIM1 and SIM2. Tap on one of those patterns. Select Standard Vibration or hit None to disable it. Go back. Sorry, misclick. Click on the notification tone here. Tap on Vibration at the top and adjust vibration pattern for your notifications the same way. Go back, hit More Settings, and click on those two switches next to Vibrate when ringing and System Haptics to enable or disable those two options as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe.